All right, we are looking for area of that shape. I have a rectangle on the bottom and a half circle on top of it. So I have this green half circle, and I'm going to keep it blue. That blue, actually maybe that's not the best one, but I'll probably change colors at some point. I have a rectangle on the bottom, but I actually don't know the length and the width of that. I know one of those sides. I know this is 3.4, but the problem is the 7.2 goes all the way up and down. It goes to the top of the circle, which is not really what I need. I really just want this section. So I need to somehow figure out what is that. I can almost imagine it as a height of that half circle, but really it's the radius of that circle. And that's going to be important anyway. To find the area of a circle, I'm going to use pi r squared, so I'm going to need the radius anyway. I'm going to actually draw this green circle outside of there. So I'm imagining that cutting across. That's this line, and this dotted line, the dotted blue line that I made before, is the radius of that circle. It's not immediately clear what that is, but I know that the diameter is 3.4 based on the bottom side of that rectangle. If the diameter is 3.4, then the radius is that divided by 2, which is 1.7. So my radius is 1.7. That's what I'm going to plug into there. Pi times the radius squared. So that'll tell me the area of just that circle. The problem is that's actually a full circle. So that gives me 9. I'm going to round this a little bit, 9.07. But that's if I had an entire circle. That's talking about if I have this full circle. I don't. I'm going to divide that by 2. And that gives me, I'm going to round that again. That's going to tell me that this half circle is 4.5. So that's the half circle. Now I need the rectangle. I know that this part, the radius of the circle, is 1.7. And I know that entire line on the right side is 7.2. So I can do 7.2 minus 1.7. That gives me that that side is 5.5. So this blue side of the rectangle is 5.5. Now I really have the length and the width of that rectangle. 3.4 times 5.5. The area of a rectangle's length times width, so I'm going to do 3.4 times 5.5. That gives me 18.7. Now I'm going to put those two numbers together. I have a half circle plus the rectangle gives me a total of 23.24 feet squared. Again, since we're talking about area, we're talking about feet squared.